Hi, second graders. Happy contraction surgery day. Yesterday you learned about using apostrophes with possessives. Today you're going to learn about using apostrophes with a contraction. Okay, so hopefully before you're watching this video right now, hopefully you already watched contractions on Brain Pop, not Brain Pop Junior, Brain Pop. Okay, so make sure you watch that video first. I am going to show you an example of what you are doing today, okay, so that you can do this on your own. So each of you in your material packet got a contraction surgery worksheet. I think I gave you 2, so check to see if you have 2 of these. If not, I'm certain that you all have 1 of these. Okay, so the directions on the contraction surgery sheet says, quick, change those words into contractions. Get ready to perform surgery on these words to make them into contractions. Okay, remember a contraction is 2 words put together, okay, but the apostrophe replaces some of the letters. It's a more informal way of writing, of speaking. You usually wouldn't use a contraction in a formal letter or a formal essay. Okay, so I already cut one of mine out. What you're going to do is cut all of these out so that it looks like this. Okay, and if you notice on our website, I included a heart rate monitor that you can press play and you can listen to while you are performing your surgery. Usually in the classroom, I would have had the table set up for you in blue paper and we would have pretended like we were in the hospital. So I'm trying my best to make it as authentic as I can through the computer, okay? So pretend like you are in the surgery or in the operating room and you are the surgeon. You are performing contraction surgery. Okay, so what you are going to do is find a pair of scissors, if Miss Barrett can find hers. I just had my scissors, there they are. Okay, so find a pair of scissors and find your tape. Pause the video so that you can go find these things. And as you are working, okay, I want you to think about what the contraction word would be. Okay, so these are 2 words put together. You need to perform this surgery. So look at my 2 words that are put together. What letters do I need to take out in order to have a contraction word? Did not. What's the contraction of did not? Didn't. Okay, so I need to take out what letter? The O. So I'm going to perform my surgery right now, and I am going to cut here, and I'm going to cut here, and I took out my O, and now I included on the website a document of Band-Aids that you could print out. You don't have to print out the Band-Aids, or if you have Band-Aids at your house, that's fun too. Or you could just use tape. Either way, I'm just going to use tape, but I did provide a link for you to print off Band-Aids if you would like to. So then I'm going to take my did, and then I have my t, and I'm going to tape it back together. I'm performing my surgery. Tape it back together like this. Now, what am I missing? If you do print off the Band-Aids, it has an apostrophe on the Band-Aid for you. But what am I missing? I took out the O and I taped my contraction together. I am missing my apostrophe. Super important. So I am going to take a black marker and put my apostrophe the best that I can where the apostrophe should go. I didn't want to go outside today because it was super windy, or I didn't want to stay inside today because it was super nice outside. So didn't. Here's my contraction. Now, if I were to take my contraction apart, it would be did not. I did not want to go outside today. But a more informal way is to use a contraction. Didn't. Okay, so this is what you're performing. You are doing contraction surgery. When you are done performing your surgery, I want you to write a couple sentences in your writing notebook with pick any two contractions that you performed surgery on. So I would use didn't in a sentence that I write in my notebook. Okay, so go ahead, surgeons. Take out your words, your patients. Get your scissors, get your tape. Get ready, get your heart rate monitor ready, and have some fun. You've got this. Oh.